The next activity I have for you is called Chalk It Up. All right, friends, for Chalk It Up, I need you to use your imagination. The first thing that I need you to do is to pretend to have the perfect piece of chalk. What size is your piece of chalk going to be? Do you want a small piece? A jumbo piece? A piece that fits perfectly in your hand? My chalk is going to be jumbo. What color is your chalk going to be? It can be any color you want. I think I want my chalk to be yellow. Okay, do you have the size and color of your piece of chalk? Great job! Go ahead and hold on to it right now. In just a minute, I'm going to show you a chalkboard on your screen. You're going to write in the air capital and lowercase f, pretending to be writing with your chalk. As you write, we'll count out the steps and the letter will appear on your chalkboard. Are you ready to play? Me too. Let's get started. Here comes that chalkboard, scholars. All right, let's start off with a big capital F. Remember, friends, capital F is 3 steps. Are you ready? Chalk up in the air. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great work. Let me erase that letter. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great writing, scholars. All right, now let's practice lowercase f. Remember, lowercase f has 2 steps. Here we go, friends. Ready? 1, 2. Let's do another lowercase f. Ready, scholars? 1, 2. Nice work. Let's do one more. Ready? 1, 2. Great job, scholars. Now let's go back and do one more capital F. 3 steps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. How much fun was that? I always love to grab some chalk and practice writing my letters outside on the street or in the playground.